LinkedIn login problem. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can fix the login problem on LinkedIn. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to fix the login problem on LinkedIn, open up LinkedIn. And let's say you are having an issue with the login details. In that case, you can also do auto signing using your Google account or your Facebook account. Now, in case you forgot your password, then you go ahead and tap on this forgot password link, and when you tap on the forgot password link, it will take you to a page where you can basically reset your password. Otherwise, there could be an issue with the application itself. So what you can basically do is go back and then long press on the LinkedIn application, and you'll find an eye icon there. Tap on it and then just go ahead and click on storage, and after that make sure to clear the cache and also clear the data. Now, last but not the least, make sure that your LinkedIn application is up to date. That's all guys. Thank you all for watching until the end and stay tuned till our next upload.